Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video we'll learn about the custom column here. So first question here is, what is the custom column here? A custom column is a kind of column that you can create in Power Query Editor in Power BI to add a new column that did not originally exist in the data source here. Here, suppose this is my table here. We have order ID, product brand name, revenue, city. We have the length, width, depth of the product here. Now, suppose our project requires some more information like what is the area of the product or volume of the product. So we can calculate here from the given data like length, width, depth. So we'll go and calculate its area and volume here. So how will we do here? Go to the transform data. Go to the product hierarchy. We have length, depth, width. So here go to the add column, add custom column here. Now first we would like to calculate the area. Area we have multiply like length and width. So this is the length into width. No syntax error have been detected here. So okay. So this is my area calculated here. Now we also want volume of the products. For that, go to the custom column here. Now volume. Volume formula length, depth, width. So length okay. Now this is the volume of the product here. Now close and apply. I changes. Now we'll move area here. And volume here. So we can move the area and volume in this table here. So this is called the custom column here. So this is all about how to add the custom column in a given table.